Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of the previous video. So if you haven't watched that, please go and check it out. So as you guys can see from the title, this is a Myntra dresses haul. So let's start the video. So the first dress is from the brand Sangria. So this is a mustard colored beautiful dress. It has a subtle sequin detail all over in the front. Fabric is really good quality and it has a lot of flare to it. And the bottom part also has this pink colored lining which looks really beautiful when you wear it. It also has button details in the front. These are wooden buttons. Overall, it's a 10 out of 10 for me because the fabric is good quality, the design is superb, and the work and embroidery, everything is really detailed and very beautiful. It will look really good in weddings and parties. So this retails for rupees 1999 and I got it for 1126 rupees. And it's a good price for such amount of fabric. So moving on to the next dress that I'm wearing now. It's also from the brand Sangria. It's a beautiful light blue color dress. It has a little detail over here. It's a patchwork detail and a tassel. It's a wrap kind of a dress. You can actually tie it here and then wear the button over here. I really love this because it is not an ordinary kind of dress. The fabric is really thick, so it's not see-through at all. And there is a lot of flare in this one also. It's very beautiful. Just go for this, guys, if you're tired of wearing similar dresses all the time. This is a beautiful design. You have to go for this. This is retailed for rupees 2999. That is 3000 rupees, and I got it for rupees 844, which is a great deal for such a good quality dress. This is the next dress. It's from the brand MBE and this is going to be a perfect buy if you want to wear something for festive seasons, also some casual parties also. If you want to wear something that is not too much also, but you can always dress it up with jewelries. This is that perfect dress. It has a golden detailing on the neckline. It's a lace kind of thing. It's a potapati, I think. Yeah. So it's in the sleeves also and it is gathered from the waist, and the best part is it has flare from down here also. So this flares out really beautifully. So this is a full length dress and I'm 165 centimeters in height, so if you're taller than me it might come to your ankle. And the quality is amazing, guys. I think all of the dresses till now what I have showed you are my favorites. So I like them all. So if you also like it, do check it out in the description. I have linked all the products there. So the next dress is also from the brand MBE. And this is the dress. It's a navy blue dress. Beautiful dress if you want to dress it up, or otherwise it has only details on the front part, the same detailing that the previous one had, and yeah, it actually flares out really beautifully from the waistline and it goes down like this, and it also has a red lining on the down part. So yeah, it also looks really good while you wear it. So this retails for rupees 2799 and I got it for 839 rupees. So the last dress is also from the brand Sangria, but I have some issues with this, guys, because I actually never expected this from Sangria, but this is the dress, guys. The color is awesome. combination of pink and orange is amazing. I loved it actually. So this actually looks a little loose on the model, so I went for extra small in this, and it's still kind of loose, but it's okay. That's the style of the dress, so I can't complain on that. It is already shown in the website that it is kind of loose fit, so I'm okay with it. But the first problem that I got was there is no button here. Yeah, see, the loop is there, but there is no button to put it. It is clearly shown in the website that there is button. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and otherwise the embroidery, it was really beautiful. See, there are threads coming from the fabric. I don't know why. And I also thought that this cape over here, I thought that this cape over here is detachable so that I could style it with many other things, but unfortunately it's not. It is stitched over here. Yeah, but that was also fine, guys. But the major problem is it is like open from the waist. See, this is the cape and it is open from the waistline. Yeah, this is like a piece. And I don't know why they have kept it like this and they have called it a dress. If that is the case, they should have attached it to the cape fully. Like, and one more problem was there. Yeah. I'm disappointed by this dress. So this actually retails for rupees 3,499, which I don't agree on, but I got it for rupees 1,150. So if there were no problems, this was a good deal. So that's all for the video, guys. If you liked the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do comment down below which piece was your favorite. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.